right, let's do a gentle nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel calmer, more centered, more like yourself, and less anxious. Let's get started. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to start tapping at the hand. Good. So right here, we're releasing grief, heartbreak, disappointment. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the top of the head. Here we're going to be releasing looping thoughts, overthinking, anxiety. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. Here we're releasing frustration and anger. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the outside of the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We want the exhale longer than the inhale. Here we're releasing anger and frustration. Good. Let's go under the eye. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. This is where we're releasing control. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go under the nose. This is where we're reconnecting the mind and the body. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You may be feeling the energy draining down the back of your head and spine. You may feel tears coming down your face, yawning. These are all signs of a reset. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Here we're releasing where we have not spoken our truth to ourselves or others. Good. All of these spots are helping us to release the trapped and stored energy in our body that we didn't get a chance to process. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go right here underneath the collarbone. Take a deep breath in and out. Here we're releasing fear. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Your shoulders might be relaxing. Your willpower chakra or shoulders relaxing. Good. Let's go to the center of the chest. Right here, we are offering ourselves a little bit more compassion and love and forgiveness. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You may feel your tailbone untucking, your hips relaxing, energy traveling down the backs of your legs. These are all signs that you're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system, which is where we rest, digest, and heal. Right now, we're tapping on the sides of the body. This is on the right side where we're releasing anger, and on the left is worry. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. That was one round of tapping. Take another big deep breath in and out. Feel free to listen to that again if you'd like to do some more tapping. I love you and thank you for being here with me.